Hey everybody, I just want to tell you what changes I made to the Yokomo SD9 Sport before I took it out for practice laps this morning. First of all, I changed out all the springs on all four dampers. I put on Yokomo springs. They're a little bit longer than the original ones, but they're softer. They're the softest springs set that I have, so decided to just give them a try. And I also play around with the droop and the ride height just to make some changes and see how it does. And I did get a little bit more control today. Unfortunately, I was only going to be able to capture 3 good laps. I just couldn't get anything going. It's not the car. Mostly it was just me not being able to concentrate. So here's the footage, 3 laps of me running practice laps today.
That was it.